Hey there, how's it going? I wanted to come on here and share a product that is a staple in our household, and that is the LouAna coconut oil. It's 100% pure, non-hydrogenated, 0 grams of trans fat, and it comes in a 14-ounce plastic jar here. Here are the nutritional facts. Serving size 1 tablespoon. Has 28 servings per container, really just depending on what you use it for. It can go a long way. Look at all that. Oh. Okay, let's see, it's got 14 grams of fat, 12 grams of saturated fat, 0 trans fat, 0 cholesterol. Love that. The ingredients, it is pure coconut oil by Ventura Foods, and coconut oil from the Philippines and Indonesia. There are so many different products for coconut oil. It's absolutely insane. The best uses that it has and that it recommends is for baking, sauteing, moisturizing, and more. All with no coconut aroma or taste. Now, it's suitable for medium heat up to 350 degrees. It's not good to go higher with this. As you can see, sauteing, stir frying, pan frying, dressings, baking. It's a really good substitute for butter. You can learn more and get more ideas at LouAnaCoconutOil.com. And along with the coconut oil, I would use olive oil as well. However, I've been getting more into just using coconut oil rather than the olive oil. It has so many more uses, and I like the texture and smell and taste of the coconut oil versus the olive oil, but of course everyone has their different opinions. My main thing that I use it for is as a hair moisturizer and as a skin moisturizer. My skin gets very dry, and I am out here in Vegas in this dry heat, and ooh, it dries your skin like nobody's business. And I also like to use natural products, so coconut oil is what I use to moisturize with, and again for my hair as well. It's a very, very deep penetrating body oil. I've used it for say over 8 years now. Yeah, it's been a very long time. And I'm definitely not going to stop because it has way too many uses. So I do use it for a hair moisturizer and as a body oil. It is a very good butter substitute, and I also will eat a tablespoon of it every day because it does have different health benefits that I am really looking for. It has so many more than this, but just some of the ones that I'm really into, or that it helps to improve your digestion, it balances your hormones, reduces cellulite, reduces wrinkles, gotta love that. It helps to improve your energy, and it actually, surprisingly enough, is a good dairy creamer. Like, who knew? It when you put it in your coffee, like, it actually is a very good dairy creamer. And then along with your coffee, you're getting that boost of energy that you can get with coconut oil. Lovely. It's good for sore throats. I like to use that when I have a sore throat. It has a natural SPF in it, so it's great for sun protection. Not to use by itself for sun protection, but just as an additional. It's also good as a natural deodorant, so I will use that at times as a natural deodorant. What I really, really love is how it removes my eye makeup and like my waterproof mascara and eyeliner and lash glue. It helps to take that off a lot of times better than the actual makeup removers that were specifically made for that. Like this coconut oil works better and then is going on my skin. So I use that as a makeup remover as well. And then also, ladies, it is a very good personal lubricant, and it's natural and doesn't cause any type of irritation or whatnot. So I really love it for that as well. This 14-ounce jar here, my jars will usually last me, I'd say, a good month. Yeah, I'd say about a good month it lasts me. And like I said, I use it every day for multiple things. So it's going to last you a very long time, and a little bit goes a long way when it comes to the oil. Now, when it's cold, it's going to be more of a solid consistency, but as it warms up, it's going to be more oily. You can see that in there. You can still see there's some that aren't all the way melted at the bottom. You'll be able to see that. But yeah, so as it gets colder, it turns into more of a solid, and as it melts down, and it melts down really, really easily, and it becomes very oily. And a little bit does go a very long way. It is a great moisturizer. You are going to be a bit oily. When I use this, you don't want to put on clothes right away because you will destroy your clothes if you don't let the coconut oil soak into your skin first before you put on your clothes. So you want to be aware of that. It's also really good to put this on after you get out of the shower before you towel off. To put this on, you know, let your body soak it up and then towel dry, and it'll leave your skin really moisturized and nice and smooth. It's really not that great to travel with just due to the size and everything, but what I do is just pour some into a little travel size bottle, and then you are good to go on your plane ride. And also what I do sometimes, ladies, is that I will pour some of my fragrance actually into my oil. Not this one, because you have other uses for this one, but I'll put it in the one I'm specifically using as a body moisturizer or for my hair, and just swish it around so that my oil already has a nice, you know, vanilla smell or whatever your fragrance is. So that is just a little extra tip on using your coconut oil. So that is the LouAna coconut oil, 100% pure. Thanks for watching.